Hello children, good morning. Myself Suchismita Malik. Today I will teach you a new chapter on grammar. So let's start. So children, I will teach you, today I am going to teach you chapter 3, that is nouns or naming word. Already in your previous videos I have taught you chapter 1 and 2. In this video I am going to teach you about nouns. So children, in your previous chapter you have read you know something about word. So word is a group of letter. It can be spoken or written. It is a single unit and it has meaning. Sometimes a single letter can be used as a word. I is such a word. So children, what is a word? A word is a group of letters. Suppose we will take an example, cow. So in cow, in the word cow, we will find that there are 3 letters present in the word cow. Suppose we are taking a letter, suppose we are taking the word cow. See, in this word we can find there are 3 letters. One is C is a letter, O is a letter and W is a letter. Together they make a word. So a word is a group of letters and it can be spoken or written. We can speak also, we can speak the word also, we can write the word also. So a word is a group of letters. It can be spoken or written. It is a single unit of language and it has meaning. Means this sentence means that it is a single unit of language. This is a single unit. Cow, Ramesh, Mumbai, these are all single unit. Means a single word, it has some meaning. Cow is a cow. The word cow has some meaning. That means we can understand by the word cow, we can understand that it is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. From the word only we can understand. So it is a single. So word is a single unit of language and it has meaning. Sometimes a single letter can be used as a word. Suppose I is such a word. So we can also use a single letter for writing a sentence. Like I is such a word. So I is a word which can be written and it has some meaning. So children, in this chapter we will read about nouns, and nouns are also known as naming words. So let's start. So before going into noun, we will read some sentences. Here it is given, some sentences are given. Number 1, Ramesh is an intelligent student. And here, who is an intelligent student? Ramesh. The cow is a domestic animal. So who is the domestic animal? The cow. We live in Mumbai. Where do we live? We live in Mumbai. I bought a new book. So here book is highlighted, and what he bought a new book. So from this word, from this sentence, we can see the word Ramesh is the name of a person. Cow is the name of an animal. Mumbai is the name of a place. And the word book is the name of a thing. So Ramesh, cow, Mumbai, book, they are naming words. So suppose Ramesh stands for a person, or it is the name of a person. Cow is the name of an animal. Mumbai is the name of a place. And the book is the name of a thing. So therefore Ramesh, cow, Mumbai and book are naming words, or we can say them, or we can call them nouns. Okay, so children, Ramesh, cow, Mumbai and book are naming words, or we can call them as noun. We can call them as nouns. So what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. So what is a noun, children? So a noun is a name of a person, animal, place or thing. So children, so you have to keep in mind something which we can touch is all called noun. Suppose we can touch a person, we can touch an animal, we can touch a place, we can go to a place, and we can touch some things also. So they are all called nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place or animals or thing. So look at the following pictures and read the naming words for people. So here are some pictures given. These are the naming words of some people. So boy, girl, nurse, teacher, painter, man, woman, doctor, postman, carpenter, they are all called nouns. Likewise, here also some more examples are given. Advocate, tailor, soldier, sweeper, these are all nouns. Dancer, singer, watchman, electricians, these are all nouns. So now we will see some pictures of animals which are the naming words of some animals. We can see like lion, tiger, elephant, wolf, deer, camel, dog, goat, sheep, mouse, these are all called nouns. Horse, bull, tortoise, fish, frog, these are all called nouns. These are the name of an animals and these are all called nouns. Now we will look at some picture and we will read the naming words for places. Like bank is a naming word for places. Bank is a place. School, hospital, hotel, cinema, a shop, post office, library, restaurant, park, factory, airport, swimming pool, beauty parlor, church. These are all the naming words for places. Now we will see the naming words for things. Okay children, so now we will read the naming words for things like computer, calculator, refrigerator, washing machine, television. These are all the naming words for things. These are naming words for things. So the naming words are also known as noun. Now we will do our exercises of this chapter. So children, you also remember that there are also, read this one also children, this page we have to read. Now take out page 20. Page 20 all of you take out. Now see here, always remember is given. We also consider the naming words are noun in relation also in young ones of animals, fruits and vegetables, parts of the body, flowers and spices. So these are all naming words or nouns like father, mother, sister, aunt, uncle, cousin. These are all naming words. Like young ones of animals like calf, colt, kid, kitten, lamb. These are all also naming words. So now in the exercise given in the page 20, now we will pick out the nouns in the following sentence and write them into 4 groups of people, animals, places or things. So children, in page number 20, exercise is given to pick out the nouns from the following sentence and we will write in these 4 boxes. People, animals, places and things box. 4 boxes are given here. In these 4 boxes, we will have to find out the name of the people names, animal names, places and things, and we have to write in these boxes. So let's start. See, Mohan is intelligent. Here Mohan is a name of a person. So we are writing in the person box, people box, Mohan. Now the goat is a domestic animal. So goat is a domestic animal. So goat we are writing in the animals place. Now this book is new. Book is a thing. So we are writing in the names of things. I go to school daily. School is a place. So we are writing school in the box of places. This knife is very sharp. Knife is a thing. So we are writing in the things box. The tiger is a wild animal. So tiger is an animal. So we are writing in the animal box. Your pen writes very well. So we will write pen in the things box. Now she is writing a letter. Letter is a thing. So we are writing it in a things box. We go to nearby park daily. Park is a place. So we will write it in a places box. Now he was not present in the classroom. So classroom is a place. We will write in the places box. Classroom we are going to write in places box. Now children, see, look at the blackboard. Blackboard is a thing. So we are writing in the things box. Ravi sat beside me. So Ravi is a name of a person. So we are writing in the person box, people box. I shall visit the doctor tomorrow. So doctor is a name of a person. So we are writing it in the doctor box. The fox is a cunning animal. Fox is an animal. So we are writing it in the animal box. Now number 15, we should respect our parents. So parents are persons, so we are writing in the people box. Then this church is big, so church is a place, so we are writing in the places box. Now the restaurant is not far from here. Restaurant is a place, so we are writing in the places box. Indian soldier fought bravely. Soldier is a noun and it is a person, so we are writing it in a people box. The horse runs very fast. Horse is an animal, so we are writing it in the animals box. Now they caught several fish. Fish is an animal, we are writing it in an animals box. So children, like this you have to complete it in your copy. See children, like this you have to write it in your copy. Now we will do our second exercise. What it is given in the second number question. Circle the noun which does not belong to the group. Suppose eye, ear, nose, food and mouth. Which one from these does not belong to the group? Food. Because eye, ear, nose and mouth, they are the parts of the body. But food is not the part of the body. That is why I have circled food. Likewise, papaya, apple, curd, mango, banana. All the papaya, apple, mango and banana, they are fruits. But curd is not a fruit. Now, teacher, nurse, doctor, brother, advocate. They are all professionally, they are the teacher, nurse, they are doing professionally and they are doing some job. But brother, it is the relation between a family. So, brother is not doing any professional job. So, I am circling brother. Now, rose, lily, lotus, tree, jasmine, they are all plant. Rose, lily, lotus and jasmine, they are all plant. But tree, it is not a plant. So, I am circling it. Potato, brinjal, guava, cabbage, cauliflower. Potato, brinjal, cabbage and cauliflower, they are all vegetables. But guava, it is a fruit. Father, mother, brother, sister and neighbor. Father, mother, brother, sister and neighbor. Father, mother, brother, sister, they are all relations, but neighbor, they don't come in the relation box. So, Agra, Kanpur, city, Mathura, Lucknow. Agra, Kanpur, Mathura, Lucknow, they are all city, but city is not name of the city. Agra, Kanpur, they are all name of the city, but this is not the name of the city. Trousers, plastic, sari, skirt, shirt. So plastic, it is not the dress material, but these are all others are dress material. Milk, tea, pot, coffee, water. So these are milk, tea, coffee and water. They are required for making tea or coffee, but pot is not not the things which is required for tea or coffee. Deer, camel, flower, goat, sheep. Deer, camel, goat, sheep, they are all animals, but flower is not an animal. So children, what you have to do is you have to circle the nouns which does not belong to the group. You have to circle all the nouns which does not belong to the group. Like how I have done, you have to complete it.